I'm going to show you how to make your first dollar online with this website. All right, so now let's get straight to the website. This is the website. I'll put the link in the description. So all you need to do is to sign up to this website and start performing micro tasks that you usually do online, like subscribing to channels, like watching YouTube videos, liking posts and pages on Facebook and other social media platforms. You will do the same task and you'll be paid. So now let's get started. So you click on this link, registration. And now you select either to advertise or executor. Since we want to make money from the website, you select executor, which means you're going to perform the action. You can sign in with all these social media platforms. If you have a Google account, you click on Google. You can also enter your credentials here to subscribe. You can enter your email here and your username as well, then your password to sign up. I've already created an account, so I'll go back and log in. So I'll click on login and then make sure I click on this and then sign in. I'm now into the website. You can see from this point that I've earned something here. This is because I've actually been performing some actions on this website. Now let's check how to make money with this website. So after signing up successfully, you head straight to this point, earnings. And now these are the tasks that you're going to perform. You have surfing, social task, VIP task. There are a whole lot of them, but this one is the most easiest one. So we'll talk about that one first. You'll click on surfing. So let's check this task that we've been given. It says press like or follow under the head of the page. Make a screenshot. All right, so this is a Facebook page that we're going to like. So you will click on open site in a new tab and then you like the page. After you take a screenshot and then submit to the website. All right, so to perform this task, I'll advise you to create a new Facebook account which you're going to use for this website so that you will not actually be liking things on your main account that you don't want to do. So I created a new Facebook account. So that's what I'm going to use to perform this task. I'll click on this. All right, so I've logged into my Facebook account. Now I'll just click on like. Let me save these credentials. So now I need to like this. So I'll click on like. That's all. That's the task that I was made to perform. And now I'll take a screenshot with a snipping tool. Right, so I've opened the snipping tool and I'll need to take a screenshot. Let me put this one here. So now I'll capture the screen and make sure this part is captured. And now you save it. Okay, so I'll save it. You can give it any name that you want. I'll save it on my desktop and I'll now close the snipping tool. So now head back to the task window and now upload the screenshot. So I'll upload the screenshot. So it's uploading. Now I'll confirm execution of the task. All right, so that's all. So with the Facebook page task, you need to wait for confirmation. So you'll click on this. So your screenshot will be reviewed and later the amount will be credited to your account. If you don't want to perform this task too, you can skip and get a new task. There are different types of tasks that you will be made to do. So this one is a different task and I'm going to get 0.0039 cents if I perform this task. If I don't want this one to, I will skip. So you can keep on skipping tasks and also perform tasks that you think it's cool. So you can keep on performing the task. Just wanted to show you how the website works. So now I'll go back to my account. All right, so that is it. Now this is my balance. You can check from this window, you see people are getting paid. So now you ask, how are you going to get paid? All right, so you come here, withdraw money to your wallet. So you can withdraw as low as 0.04. So now I have 0.056. It means I can withdraw from this website. You can withdraw as minimum as 0.04 cent. So now, how are you going to get paid? You will click on withdraw money to wallet. And there are so many ways that you can get paid. So you can get paid through all these payment platforms. Web money, you can be paid as low as 0.04. Yo money, all these platforms, Payeer, Perfect Money, you can be paid as low as this. But some other platforms, you need to earn more to get paid. So this is how you earn your first dollar online using this website by performing simple micro tasks. One interesting thing is that you can also actually use your money earned on this website to also promote your website. And this will be a win-win for you. So you perform this task to earn money and then you use that money to also monetize your website. So if you want to do that, you come to this point under promotions, then you click on your sites. All right, so there are so many tasks that you can add to this website. Just as we were performing some tasks, you can also add your tasks to this website. You can add a campaign. You can add a campaign so many ways. So under visitors, here you add your website link. You can add multiple links of your website. And if you earn up to $1.72, now you can get 1,000 page visits. If you don't have any website to promote, you can also click on actions in social networks. Here you can get subscribers to your YouTube channel, whether you need $7.24 to get 1,000 subscribers. You know, you need 1,000 subscribers to monetize your YouTube channel. So with just $7.24, you get real human beings to subscribe to your channel to aid you to actually monetize your channel quick. There are so many ways that you can recruit this website to work for you. So all you need to do is to perform this micro task and start earning. And after that, you can also use it to create a campaign and then benefit from this website as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've gotten value from this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also comment in the comment section, I subscribed, and I'll do well to respond to all your messages. Thank you so much and see you in another interesting video. It's bye for now.